Hey, what's up, YouTube family? Yeah. So it's dinner time. I'm a little bit hungry. We ordered takeout from Ponceña, which is a local restaurant that has been around the Central Jersey area for many moons, many years. And I think you've seen me do one of the videos of their food review before. Tonight, I am trying their pepper steak. So the missus got La Ponceña for lunch at work, and our coworker had gotten some pepper steak and shared some with her, and the missus would tell me how good it was. I'm like, you know what, let me try it. I could stand some carne, some beef. Haven't had beef in a little bit. I don't eat beef as much. It smells delightful. So you got the pepper steak, peppers, onion, the yuca, some arroz blanco. Yeah, a nice little gravy in there. Looking at it, it kind of reminds you of lomo saltado, which is a Peruvian dish. It looks a lot like this right here. Yeah, so let's try it out, all right? Oh yes. One thing I will say, the steak is very tender. I will say that. Let's try it. The truth is in the steak. What? Oh snap. Hey, La Ponceña. That steak is good. Very good. I already know that yuca is good. It never disappoints. Never. Never. Very good. That is very, very good. Very tender. Seasoned to perfection. Delicioso. Throw some white rice in there. Come on now. The rice and the peppers. Oh, that's delicious. See? It pays to have friends that like good food. Some friends don't have no idea. This food is good. Okay. What is yuca? I will show you. Yuca is this right here. It's good. My goodness. I will be doing this again. Because this is good. Good. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this container. Take that gravy, pour it on top of that rice, just like this right here. Oh yeah. And I'm not a rice person. Anybody that knows will tell you that. But this rice is cooked to perfection. It's not mushy. Take that. I'll take that right there. And mix it into that rice. Oh, that's gonna be good. Hot dog. That's good. That's good. That is really, really, really good. La Ponceña. You've done it again, man. Y'all sure do me right. And the steak is so tender. And the juca, it sops up all the flavors of the steak, and the peppers, and the onions, like this right here. La Ponceña is a Puerto Rican restaurant that's been around in New Brunswick for years. I think longer than I've been alive. I know I'm not telling you my age. You don't need to know. You don't need to know. Okay, La Ponceña. Thank you for dinner. Thank you for dinner. This is really good. My Lord. Yeah. This is good. Very, very, very good. So, with that being said, if you are ever in the central New Jersey area, namely in New Brunswick, New Jersey, stop by La Ponceña. Here's their information right here. It's some of the best Puerto Rican cuisine you've ever had. I promise you. You're gonna like it. There's no question about it. Some of the best Puerto Rican food you've ever had. Whoever cooked this pepper steak, give them a hug, give them a kiss. Tell them I said muchas gracias. This right here is something else. It's good. And I've never been a fan of juca until La Ponceña. Nobody does juca like these. Nobody. To that I'll say, do this. Do this right here.